What's up, everybody? My name's Dallas, if you didn't know, and today we're going to be looking at a really cool mic setup that Comica sent me. So up until now, I've been using a couple different microphones. I've been using the Edutige 008, and that's what you're hearing right now. That's a small mic that just plugs into the side. I'm recording off of a GoPro using a USB-C adapter that comes sold by GoPro. It's like $50 adapter that you connect into the side, and then you can plug in any external mic you want. So this mic we've really liked because it's so small and it doesn't look gigantic. The other one I use sometimes is the Rode Video Mic Go. This one's a little bit larger. We put it on top of the GoPro using the Ulanzi mount that holds both the adapter and then you can put a mic on top. And then we plug it in through that adapter in the side, but it does attract a little bit more attention when we're just trying to walk around like do vlogs. So Comica was nice enough to send us this. So this is my honest review of it. I'll let you know. I actually already filmed this video once and I didn't have a cord plugged in all the way into this pack. So it wasn't picking up the audio correctly apparently. So there are a few other kind of variables, whereas the system you're seeing right now or listening to right now is a really simple one where you just plug it in and you're good to go. But there's a little bit of wind today. We're going to try both like a distance test and also a vlogging test to see how all of these mics kind of compare. I feel like every microphone and every camera has a use case or a certain situation where you're going to want that piece of gear. And you just want to know what gear, are you going to use when, under what circumstances. So Comica sent this. This is the WM100, I believe. It's on the screen right now, so I won't mess up the name. Product names get so hard, don't they? So inside this cool case, though, it looks kind of like a lunch pail almost. It's a nice fabric. It all zips closed. When I open it, though, it does have a full foam cutout. You get two microphone packs that you wear on your back, like in your back pocket, and then you get one receiver. So the receiver has two of these like bug antennas on it. Everything runs on AA, and then these are the actual wireless packs. They look like this. So you'll plug a microphone into one of these, you'll run it under your shirt like you've seen on like a reality TV show, and you'll clip the lapel right here, and that'll be your microphone setup. And then off of this one, the receiver, you run a cord from this, it goes into your camera, so it sends the signal over and goes into the camera and records, right? Somewhere in there I messed it up last time. So like I said, everything's AA. These all have brand new AA batteries in them and everything, so everything should record at like the normal levels and stuff. So it should be good to go. And then, like I said, the Rode Mic Go, we're going to try that. So first off, the Edutige mic, how's this sounding right now? I'm also going to get up and just kind of walk away. How is it when I turn my head and talk? So I'm talking to the other direction, not at the microphone right now. Let's get up and just kind of walk and see what it sounds like. So here we go. I'm walking away. I'm like 12 feet away right now, not that far. Can you hear me? Can you not hear me? And then if I walk even further, this is where it's probably getting hard to hear me at all, if you even can. And as I talk, I'm just talking at like a normal level. This isn't like projecting. I'm not screaming across this place or anything. It's just like normal talking, which is what you want when you're vlogging or making a video in public. So you're not like, you're already standing out when you have a camera and stuff. But this way you don't have like, you're not projecting your voice a crazy amount. So Edutige 008. Next we're gonna jump over to the Rode Video Mic Go and we'll see how this sounds. So you can see this is that Edutige 008 microphone with a wind muff on it like this. I use an L adapter to be able to point the mic towards the subject, or you can actually flip the mic around when you're filming and you can talk into the mic as you're shooting the other direction. Right now you're hearing that Video Mic Go by Rode. It is a much larger microphone. I haven't been as happy with the windscreen on it. It's one of those foam windscreens and I don't feel like it really blocks a lot of the wind. It's a very light breeze right now, like the trees are barely moving, but it could be messing it up. So I don't know, you tell me if it is or not. I'm gonna now stand up, do the same walk away test. You can hear me talking to the side real quick right now, see if that actually does that cut the audio a ton, and let's walk away. Okay, so now I'm about the same distance. I'm talking as I'm away. I can walk away a little bit further so you can hear it. How's this? Can you hear me at all, or is it completely gone? And then I'm gonna talk as I walk back over here and sit back down. I don't know. How's this mic? How do you like the sound of it? I'm doing no post editing on the audio of this video. This is straight from the camera directly into Final Cut and then being exported out. I'm not going to change any levels or put limiters or compressors or anything like that. All of that stuff will improve the audio quality, but I want you to hear a baseline of everything. So this is the video mic go. Now we're going to try the Comica pack. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and pull out all of the cords here so you can see what you need to do to use this. All right, off of the receiver, that's this guy, you have to plug this auxiliary cord in to the output. There also is a headphone jack so you can check your monitor levels and make sure it's picking up audio, something I should have done last time. The cord is really short though, so if you're not mounting this directly on top of your camera, which it does have a tripod mount here so you can connect it. It comes with an adapter too, so you can connect it like on top of your camera, but on top of a GoPro this looks crazy. On top of like a, you know, larger camera or something you'll be fine, but GoPro it's a little too big for it. So we're going to use an extension cord. I've already tested this to make sure this extension cord works. It's just a 3.5 millimeter on each side. We can go ahead and plug it in here, and then this is going to be what plugs into the GoPro, right? Then we need another pack. Let's see where the, right here, almost ran away. This one, we're going to take this microphone cord here. Let's see what we got. I got a couple different things. Motorcycle going by, can you hear it? What's it sound like? Is it too loud? Okay, now this guy, we're gonna plug it into the mic line here. And it has threads on all of these, which is super cool, so that as you're filming and walking around and recording audio, this thing isn't gonna, like, if it's inside your shirt here and it gets pulled, it's not gonna come out. Like it's good to go. Also the pack wouldn't fall, which is cool. And they come with, there goes the motorcycle. Comes with clips too, like this. So it clips onto your back pocket, right? We'll turn it on, you just hold the power button. And there's an A channel and a B channel. That way we can have one mic set up on one and one on the other, all right? I'm gonna go ahead and take this mic off, strap this one in here, and we'll see how it sounds. So I've got everything hooked up now. You're hearing the Comica mic. I'm just holding it here. As you can see, it's got the windscreen on it. It does come with foam style ones too. I think you want these if it's a little windier, and these if you're working in like a studio situation and it's more about like the rub or like a pop or hiss noise. But this guy's good for wind supposedly. So how does this sound right now? I'm gonna go ahead and push it underneath my shirt just so it's like a real situation of like how it would be set up. You can also see your levels on the actual mic pack and on the receiver to make sure things are coming across, which I can see the little levels moving. I'll show you that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but take a look if you can while I talk. It's actually going up and down. And then let's go ahead and slip this into my pocket. And we're gonna go under the shirt like that. And it's got a little alligator clip here. You're probably hearing crazy audio right now because I'm doing this. Typically you wouldn't be talking while you do this, but it gives you an option to hear what it really sounds like. Okay, so now I've got the mic pack going. I should be able to walk away. You should hear the exact same levels and everything. So here we go, let's give it a shot. I'm gonna get up, walk away, and I'm not even facing the right direction. Can you hear me okay? Is everything fine? Let's see if I can go. Let's see how far I can go. I'm gonna walk. I'm just gonna keep going with this. Obviously you wouldn't be able to hear me on the other microphones, but you should be able to hear me just fine right now. I don't know the range off the top of my head, and sometimes advertised range doesn't matter anyways. So here I am, I'm super far away. Can you hear me? Can you even see me? I'm on linear mode. I don't even know if you can see me right now. It might be too narrow of a field of view, but here you go. How's it sound? Move my hands like this. Is it windy? When I move my shirt, do you hear things? I move around a lot. Do you hear things while I'm moving around a lot? I don't know. Here I come. I'm coming back. Come back to the table here, and I'm back. So that is the kind of test just to hear the basics of the audio. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk around like we're doing a vlog, and you'll be able to hear it while I'm actually like moving, holding the mic. So let's try that. I'm gonna slip the receiver into my pocket, just pick this mic up like that, and here we go. Just me and you listening to the audio. How's it sound? Does it sound good? Does it sound terrible? You tell me. I don't know yet. I haven't heard this audio yet. There's definitely a little bit of a breeze. I know the other mics are gonna pick up that breeze. Does this pick up that breeze? The other thing to note is that if your mic is attached to the GoPro off like the side, you get a lot of sound from holding the selfie stick when you're walking around. I don't think we're gonna get that because the mic's far enough away from my hand to not have to hear it. Now I have a tethered cord coming off the GoPro, but that's just going to the receiver, not to the actual microphone. But you still gotta have that. So unless you're gonna mount that receiver on top of the GoPro, I don't know. How's it sound? How's it sound? Okay, next thing we're gonna test, I'm gonna unplug this one and I'm gonna plug back in the Edutige 008 microphone, and I'm gonna walk around and you'll be able to hear that too. Let's try it. Okay, this is the Edutige 008. Can you hear my hand holding the mic, the selfie stick? Can you hear it if I crickle it around a little bit or move my fingers? You can kind of hear it. How's the wind? I'm talking at that same level, just kind of a little bit louder than, I don't know, what you would talk to your friend at, but not much. How's it sound? How's the wind? Like I said, there's that little breeze. It's probably picking it all up. There's a car going by. Can you hear it? I don't know. This is that Edutige 008. All the links for all these mics are down in the description too, so if you're interested in picking one up, definitely pick one up. Super helps out our channel, little bits here and there. And then if you are liking what you're seeing, hearing, all that, go ahead and like and subscribe. Helps us a ton. If you have a question, dude, I would totally be willing to answer it. It's no problem at all. Just leave it down below and I will do my very best. It might be the wrong answer, but I'll give you one. So Edutige 008. Next up is going to be that Video Mic Go by Rode. While I'm walking around kind of doing a vlog test, this is arm's length. My arm is bent. It's not like as far away as it can go, you know, but give you the idea. Okay, here comes the Rode. Okay, now we've got this big hot dog looking microphone on top of it. Everybody always says, man, you got this giant hot dog on top of your camera. It looks ridiculous, but is this better? Is it worth it? Is it worth it having this larger Video Mic Go? This is a kind of a budget mic. I think they're around $70-ish, depending on when you find them and where you find them. They're also the mic that comes a lot with the creator's kit. If you bought a Canon like Rebel or something, or even the M50, I believe, the creator kit comes with this microphone. So how's this sound? It has the little what's it called, like the little balancer where the mic sits in so that it doesn't pick up any of the noise or the vibrations of the camera is the idea. So if I move my hands on the stick, does it pick all that up or not? I'm kind of like rubbing the handle, you know? I don't know. Is this better? Does this sound better? Let me know down below which mic out of the three that you like the most. I definitely want to say a big thanks to Comica. They're the only ones out of this group that sent me a microphone. I love the wireless pack. I'm hoping the audio is a ton better. I like it. I think I need to figure out which use cases and situations I'm going to use it for. But all in all, I think it's going to be a great addition of gear to my kit, and you know, certain situations call for certain tools, and now I'm going to have just another tool to be able to go out and use. So let me know what you guys think. It's been super awesome spending a little time together, and I will see you guys next time.